Have you ever wondered if a tiny coin like Shiba Inu could make you a millionaire? That's the dream driving the SHIB army. The idea of SHIB reaching $1 or even $2 isn't just wishful thinking, it's a rallying cry for the community. For early investors, hitting these targets would mean life-changing wealth and prove that a meme coin can become a serious asset. The journey from fractions of a cent to $2 is daunting, but crypto is known for wild surprises. Why $2? It's the ultimate milestone, symbolizing not just profit, but the success of a global movement. This shared goal unites holders, turning a simple investment into a collective mission. But let's be real, for SHIB to hit $2, its market cap would need to surpass the world's biggest companies. That's a massive challenge, but not impossible in the unpredictable world of crypto. The SHIB army believes that with token burns and growing utility, the dream could one day become reality. It's a long shot, but in crypto, long shots are what keep the game exciting. The developers are building, the community is holding, and the world is watching. Every step forward is fueled by belief, strategy, and a bit of luck. Whether or not SHIB ever hits $2, the journey itself is what makes this story so compelling. In crypto, anything can happen, and that's why everyone's paying attention. To predict where Shiba Inu is headed, we need to understand its recent price action. SHIB's price has bounced between support and resistance levels, much like a ball on a staircase. Support levels act as a floor. When the price drops, buyers step in, showing confidence and stabilizing the coin. Resistance levels are the ceiling. When the price rises, sellers take profits, making it tough to break higher. The SHIB army's collective buying at support zones has repeatedly defended SHIB from bigger drops. When SHIB approaches resistance, it faces heavy selling, but a breakout can signal a new upward trend. Watching these levels reveals the market's mood. Consolidation means a tug of war, while a breakout hints at momentum. For SHIB, breaking above recent resistance would be a bullish sign, possibly the first step toward bigger dreams. Investors are watching closely, hoping for that spark that could ignite the next rally. The price journey is a story of community strength, market psychology, and the constant battle between buyers and sellers. Every bounce, every breakout, is a signal, one that the SHIB army reads with anticipation. The next big move could come at any moment. In crypto, timing is everything. And for SHIB, the journey is just as important as the destination. One of the hottest topics in the Shiba Inu community is token burning. Burning means permanently removing tokens from circulation, making the remaining ones scarcer and potentially more valuable. SHIB started with a mind-boggling supply, which keeps its price low. By burning tokens, the community hopes to create scarcity and drive up value. Shibarium, SHIB's Layer 2 network, burns a portion of transaction fees, creating a steady reduction in supply. The more people use Shibarium, the more tokens get burned. While a single massive burn is unlikely, the cumulative effect of ongoing burns could be huge. Every token burned is a step closer to ambitious price targets. The SHIB army tracks burn rates obsessively. Knowing each burn increases the odds of a price surge. It's a slow process, but it's working in the background every day. Scarcity is the name of the game, and burning is how SHIB plays to win. For many, every burn is a small victory on the road to 1 cent, or even $2. In crypto, whales, big investors, can move markets with a single trade. When a whale buys SHIB, prices can spike. When they sell, panic can follow. That's why tracking whale activity is crucial for SHIB holders. But SHIB has a secret weapon. The SHIB army, millions of small investors, united online, can outmuscle even the biggest whales. Their collective buying and social media campaigns keep SHIB in the spotlight and support the price. The SHIB army's energy and unity are unmatched, making SHIB more resilient than most meme coins. Community-driven power is what sets SHIB apart. In the end, it's not just about big money, it's about the strength of the crowd. The fate of SHIB lies in the hands of its global community. Shiba Inu started as a meme, but it's evolved into something much bigger. The launch of ShibaSwap gave users a decentralized exchange to trade, stake, and earn rewards. Shibarium, SHIB's Layer 2 blockchain, makes transactions faster and cheaper, opening the door for new apps and games. Developers are building NFT collections, a metaverse, and more, expanding SHIB's utility far beyond speculation. The Metaverse project aims to create a vibrant digital world, increasing demand for SHIB, Bone, and Leash. Every new project adds real-world use cases, giving people more reasons to buy and hold SHIB. It's no longer just about price, it's about participating in a growing digital economy. This focus on utility is what separates SHIB from other meme coins. The team's long-term vision is earning trust and attracting new talent. SHIB is proving it's more than a joke, it's building a future. And that's what could make those ambitious price targets possible. Shiba Inu and Dogecoin both started as jokes, but their paths have diverged. Dogecoin is simple, used for tipping and payments and backed by big names like Elon Musk. SHIB, meanwhile, is building an ecosystem, ShibaSwap, Shibarium, NFTs and more. This gives SHIB more potential for growth and utility than Dogecoin's straightforward approach. Then there's Bitcoin, the original, slow, and scarce digital gold. Bitcoin's value comes from its fixed supply and trust as a store of value. SHIB is the opposite, massive supply, burning mechanism, and a focus on community and speed. While Bitcoin is a conservative bet on the future of money, SHIB is a high-risk, high-reward play on ecosystem growth. Both can coexist, serving different purposes in the crypto world. SHIB's future depends on building demand and burning supply. Dogecoin relies on simplicity and recognition. Bitcoin is about scarcity and security. Each has its own path, but SHIB's is the wildest ride of all. The road to a new all-time high for SHIB is filled with both promise and obstacles. The biggest factor, Shibarium's growth, more projects, more users, more tokens burned. SHIB's price also depends on the overall crypto market. Bull runs lift all boats, while bear markets test conviction. Community engagement is key. The SHIB Army's energy can fuel rallies and weather storms. Social media buzz, new initiatives and project updates keep SHIB in the spotlight. Staying informed is essential. The crypto world moves fast, and fortunes can change overnight. Watch Shibarium's adoption, market trends, and the strength of the community. These are the signals that matter most. The journey won't be easy, but the SHIB Army's ready for whatever comes next. In crypto, anything is possible, and for SHIB the story is far from over.